Come on out!
This is your tube.
That's impossible.
Melody!
Let's go.
Meet my guests.
As long as we work
Here we
together, we got this. They're strong.
Still with me?
Be on your guard.
Get lost!
Let me see.
You think that'll...
How's this gonna go?
What's our opener?
Good plan. Here goes.
They're strong. Be on your guard. We're lacking. Want a piece of this?
Well struck.
Too late for regrets now. What the? Allow me to show you.
Wait,
you can do
that.
That's more like it.
Time to bust out the
Help
big
me out
guns.
here.
Cover me!
We gotta win it. No matter what. How's this?
What do you think you're doing? You know the drill. Don't be a hero. Careful.
Take flight! Lightning! Like I overlooked that.
You know the
don't
drill.
have to tell me.
Don't be a hero.
Stay cautious.
Get lost!
What?
We gotta win this.
Yeah.
No matter what. Feeling lucky?
Might work.
Not bad.
Out of my way. Time to kill. I won't play nice.
Dance for me.
What a waste!
I think they like you,
They got me
Saizo.
good. Want a piece of this?
I know
Let's
we
go.
can
That's
win
the
this.
ticket. We can target the...
Take flight! Lightning!
Impressive.
All right. Yeah.
Still with me?
Hope that might as well test
Burn
it.
in hell.
What do you think you're doing? Out of my way. Here goes.
Attend me.
What a waste! Ready? I'll be okay. Want a piece of this?
Not bad.
We can't. Time to bust out the big guns. Initiating sync.
Try all you want. What are you thinking?
Help me out here! I owe you, Ringo. All right, we work
So
together.
Don't miss now.
Appreciate the advice.
Not bad.
What's
You
our
like
open?
that?
Looks like it'll...
Do it, Melody!
You think you can order me around?
Let the rebels begin.
Saw that coming. Saw that coming. What a waste!
We'll take this
So
power.
you.
Go, Arrow.
Appreciate the advice.
Well struck.
Here goes. In my sights.
We're all right. Ah!
No more. Let's finish this.
Sometimes you gotta risk it.
Out of my way.
Saw that coming.
We're just
This
getting
will turn the
started.
tables. Initiating sync. I
Try all you want.
Remember
Let's
to
roll.
pace yourselves, everyone.
Impressive.
I know. Take it away.
Don't miss
Appreciate
now.
the advice. Nailed it!
You can handle that,
You
right?
got me good. Want a piece of this? Don't go
You like
overboard
that?
now.
Dance!
Come.
Strong.
Not a bad workout.
Iron Mask. Preparations are complete.
Good. Then it's time Project D was underway. The old days are long gone. We'll make those fundamentalist fools see just how outdated they truly are.
Ma'am.
What did I just see?
It almost seemed like The future? But we'd only ever seen the past in here. Well, maybe it's not so strange. I did get downgraded to a humanoid platform, but my mind's still a fragment of Ion. Maybe there's some remnant of Ion's power in my unconscious mind. A part of me that can calculate a possible future. It'd be kind of like when I soul hack. Like I'm unconsciously tapping into that Ion power, you know? If it works like that, then that vision would have been based on your past and my experiences with you in our shared present. So any future I conjure up here would be a logical, calculated projection based on those two factors.
What? The future? My future? Are you saying that was me?
Guess you become some evil commander. You definitely owned the role. And what was that about Project D? Gotta be continuing off of C, right? I think you'd come up with something a little more creative.
Shut up.
All right there, Iron Mask.
Shut up.
Well, at the very least, it looks like you're doing well. I was kind of worried.
Yeah, but this is me we're talking about. There's no telling what I'll end up doing. I mean, what do you think? Should you just stop me now?
Of course not. We don't know the meaning behind anything in that vision. And besides, it was just that. A vision. You can really only understand the future once it's become the past. Gotta warn you though, if our futures end up clashing with one another, I won't be holding back.
Well, if it comes to that, try not to give me too hard a time, all right?
Sure. But if you ask me, Melody, I think we're gonna be fine.
And why's that?
Because that future's based on the you we know. The you that's been through so much with us. Face it, we're partners now. And if this is what happens after all we've been through, then I think I can trust you to work with us, right?
A partner, huh? You're good. Can we talk?
Huh.
But...
Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered.
Booty, let's roll. Yeah! How's this?
You got this,
Shall
right?
we? Only one side's
Time
walking
to
away from
improvise.
this. Help me out here!
I am in your
I feel like a new man.
What?
goes.
Ooh, that'll work.
Finish them
No
off,
problem.
Saizo. Okay,
Go, Arrow!
appreciate the advice. Like I overlooked that.
Still with me?
That's
You don't
it,
have to
Melody.
tell me.
Alright, let's start dinner time!
I could fight like that all day.
Enemy detected. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Object discovered. Enemy detected.
Listen. Farewell.
Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered.
Oh, here goes.
That should be.
I hear you.
A waste
go.
looks promising.
Take him down, Arrow. Let him have it, Arrow. Yeah, good plan.
Go for the weak.
Now, Ringo.
I got you, Melody.
I'm not your babysitter. Dance!
Come, my blood starts.
Dinner time!
Easy win.
Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Rare enemy detected. Enemy detected. No more. You've been discovered.
About that.
No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present.
If that. So long.
Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. No more readings present. Object discovered. You've been discovered.
About that.
No enemy detected. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered.
Hell yeah.
Goodbye.
No more readings present. Powerful foe detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. No more readings present. Enemy detected. You've been discovered. No more readings present. Enemy detected. 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 You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered. No more readings present. You've been discovered.
Well, bye.
Yo. What? See ya.
Here's a boost! Here I come!
Kaburagi.
You okay?
Right. Let's go.
I can't lose!
What are you
I'll
thinking?
try and do you proud.
Careful. We don't know how this will go.
I hate coin flips.
Got a hunch?
Make the call, Arrow.
We gotta
Here we
win
go.
this. No matter what.
Here goes.
You know what
Time
to do.
to improvise. Initiating sync.
That's what I need.
I
Try
love
all
it.
you want.
They're strong.
Shall we?
Be on your guard. Wanna make a bet, Saizo?
Watch their reactions
In my
here.
sight. We
Right.
gotta win this.
Could be
No matter
risky
what.
hell.
Out of my way.
Here's a boost!
Let's try this.
Witness my charm.
I know we
Okay.
can win this.
I hate coin flip.
Take flight! Lightning!
What are you
Sure.
thinking?
Have
Listen,
my
you're
way.
We gotta win this. No matter what. Let's go about this
Positive
carefully.
energy. All right.
You don't have to
win
tell
this.
me.
Do your
No
thing.
matter
I
what.
was doing that anyway.
Too late for regrets.
I won't hold back. This.
I hold back.
Saw that coming.
Now!
That.
What are you thinking?
Let's change this up. Power and
Step up. As long as we work together.
You gonna try it out? Okay.
Ooh, that'll work.
Pardon. Lightning strike!
You know the
Got it.
drill. Don't be a hero.
Should I roll the dice? Here goes nothing.
I hate coin flips.
I know we can like that. Take it away.
How about this? I'll burn it all!
Love to see it.
Come, young star servants.
Here I come. I won't hold back. I will pass.
Let's make this interesting.
I will pass. Here goes. Ready to
All
go.
right.
Woo. Just what I needed. I'll take it from here. Here goes. Want a piece of this? As long as we work together,
Yeah.
we got this.
Okay.
Good idea.
Not
Lightning strike!
Here I come.
Out of my way.
I need your help.
Let's try this. How about this?
Let's go.
Ooh, that'll work.
Go, Arrow!
You don't have to tell me twice. Enemy down.
Shall we? How's this? As long as we work together, we got this.
We need to watch ourselves.
We're not done yet.
Whatever it takes.
As long
Got
as we
it.
work together. Are you sure, Melody?
Out of my way.
I won't hold back. I will pass. What a waste!
Let's keep up the pace.
Boom!
Now it's all right. In my sight.
We're still
Got
in
it.
this, right?
What's
Let's
our
go.
opener?
I hope this works.
Eat this! I won't hold back. I will pass. Hell no! Come on!
No better.
Now!
You know the
Let's go
drill.
with that.
Don't be a hero.
I won't stop you, but
I'll cover you if it
Destroy
goes
you!
south.
Like I overlooked that.
let's get down to business.
Remember
All
to
right.
pace yourselves, everyone.
this
Ice
works.
cold. All across. Yeah,
That
good
should-
plan.
Go for the weak
Healing,
spot.
sis.
Here goes.
they're strong.
Time to
Be on
bust
your
out
guard.
the big guns.
Help me out
Initiating
here.
sync. I
Rich
will
now
do it.
stop me.
Go time.
Easy shot.
Here I come.
See that terror in there?
Best to go with
Don't
that.
give me orders.
Come, let's start service.
Not yet. Ha! Here's a boost. I will pass.
Kneel.
Don't trust me though.
You know what
Shall
to
we?
do.
Easy shot.
You know what to
take it
do.
away. You got it. Now, Arrow.
I know. I'm a real heartbreaker.
Damn it. The other Karasa scum. Even if you stuff us here, you'll never wipe out the Phantom Society.
Yeah, you're probably right.
If you know, then why? Why do you keep fighting?
Because I want to end the fighting.
But we can make that happen. If Phantom wins, you get what you want too.
I'm not so sure. I've seen and heard a lot of ways to achieve my goal. Covenants, a technological singularity. Plenty of people have tried to tell me their way's the only real path to peace. And this great one we worship is just one solution of many. But none of those paths were perfect. All of them involved compromises, or outright contradictions. There's no easy answer. And that's why. Everyone, wait for me. What was that?
That was a vision of your future. It was calculated based on your past, as well as our time together in the relative present. Based on those two factors, that was a logical projection of your future.
So, we never do manage to stop the fighting. Honestly, part of me already knew that. I feel like I've come to terms with it. At the very least, though, I hope we can make the world safe for Komodori. And the kids. And all the kids like them across the world.
Well, that'll depend on what you do from this point on. Like I said, that vision was only based on what you've done and who you are now. Considering everything we've been fighting for, I think you already know Ion's predictions of the future aren't set in stone.
So even Ion doesn't know who I'll be in the future, huh?
I don't have the facts, but if you want my opinion, you looked like a hero. You were alone, scarred, burdened, but you seemed like a guy who always fights for what he believes in. That sounds like a hero to me.
But
I'm not there yet. Something like that.
You are so predictable. What do I gotta say so you don't run off like an idiot and get yourself killed again?
Well, I don't plan on it.
Well, until you do end up dying again, I'll be looking out for you, Arrow. Besides, you're gonna find that answer someday. And when you do, I want to know what it is.
You're in it for the long haul, huh?
Like I told you, you're stuck with me till the end.
Glad to hear it.
I see. But...
Annoying!
Yeah.
Summoning!
You know the drill. Don't be a hero.
Let's go.
I won't let anyone.
Let me see.
It's probably fine.
Freeze you where you stand!
Let's get down to business.
What's our
Fine.
opener?
Looks like
I'll
it'll
get
work.
this out of ice cold. New time to bust out the big guns.
What's our opener?
Fine.
That looks like
Okay,
a-
I got you, Melody. Good hit.
Keep it up. Let's finish this. Get lost. What do you
I'll
think?
handle this.
How's this gonna go?
Careful, Psycho. Don't make me laugh.
You must be hungry.
I'll crush you. Summoning!
I know we can do
That'll
this.
work.
Now, Arrow.
Got it. What's
Let's
our
roll.
see that tear?
Accessing ice cold.
You like that? Dance!
Go strong. Be on a piece of this?
Don't make me
Come, Mikey, let's start.
Dinner time!
Ah!
Saw that coming.
know we can win this.
Let's go.
Ooh, that'll work.
Go, Arrow! You know what to do.
This ice cold. Good hit.
Here goes. In my sight.
Still with me?
Let the rebels begin.
What a waste!
Come on.
You know what that'll work.
Freeze you where you stand!
You're strong.
Alright, want a piece of this?
Let's get down to business.
What do you think?
Looks like
Go
it'll...
for the weak spot!
That's so. We can't bind.
Looks like
Okay,
it'll...
Right there, Ringo.
on.
Not bad. Let's finish this.
Get lost. Let the rebels begin.
Well, that was kind of one-sided.
Back from recon, huh? Let's see. Yikes. Guess we don't have time to hang around. It's that haunted apartment again, Ash. We gotta go.
Right now? Then who's picking up the kid?
The kid? The kid! It can't be that late already. How did it get so late?
You get the kid, I'll take the apartment. I can handle this demon easy.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Oh, and stop by Mancha on your way back. We need milk, eggs, detergent. Oh, and make sure the milk's...
2%. I know. I got it. Knock him dead, honey. And be careful.
You too, darling.
Okay, let's rock and roll. What was that?
That was a vision of your future. It was calculated based on your past, as well as our time together in the relative present. Based on those two factors, that was a logical projection of your future.
Wow. So we actually get our happy ending. A future where I'm not just fighting for my own sake. With Ash. And our kid. I'm a family man.
It looks like you both get what you want in the end.
We both gave up on that stuff a while back, but... even still.
So you end up fighting to save the world after all, huh?
My world's a little smaller than the rest of the gang's, but yeah, I guess I do. If I really do turn out like that, then it's gotta be thanks to all the time I spent with you guys.
Well, it's one possible future. Nothing is set in stone, so any of that can still change drastically. If you want it to come true, you're still gonna have to chase it with everything you've got.
Yeah, I know. That's what makes it worth fighting for. Thanks, Ringo. Makes me feel like I could take on the world.
That reminds me. You said you wanted to be a summoner that helped people. Does that include us? Even if we're more Ion than people?
What, you kidding? Of course I'll help you. You two are special cases, so you get the friend discount.
Friend discount, huh? I can see that coming in very handy.
Man, what did I just get myself into? Consider me a fan. Seriously?
Impressive.
Hey!